I'd like to introduce our motorized lead screw type welding runners to you. This is our 50 turns anti-drift welding runners. Here you can see 4 wheels can lifting up and down by lead screw to control the vessel running direction during the welding process. This is our 100 ton anti-drift welding runners. We just finished the commissioning work. It is ready to ship. This is the control cabinet. You can see the details. We use very famous electric parts, Dian, and invert, Schneider, and the wireless control box. The wireless control box. This is our 300 tons anti-drift welding runners with the steel wheel. And this is our 100 tons anti-drift welding runners. All these anti-drift welding runners applied for pressure vessel, heat exchanger, pipeline fabrication. If you need more details, welcome to contact me. Thank you for your watching.